In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Dawn theme, how to hide the footer on the password protection page. We're going to clean up the password page in the Dawn theme by removing the footer so visitors only see your message and password form. This is helpful when you want a minimal branded look without extra links or social icons showing before launch. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then Themes. In the Themes area, open your current themes editor by selecting Customize. This loads the visual editor. At the top of the editor, open the Page selector. It usually shows Homepage by default. Change it to Password so you're previewing the password-protected landing page. You should now see the standard message and, at the bottom, a footer that often includes the line, "This shop will be powered by Shopify," along with any social icons. Click directly on that footer area in the preview to target the section. This helps ensure we edit the correct piece of the theme. With the footer section active, open the More Options menu for the theme editor and choose Edit Code. Shopify will take you straight into the code editor and, importantly, it will focus on the file that controls this exact section, typically section/main-password-footer.liquid. Inside this file, you'll see the markup that renders the password page footer, including any social links and the Powered by text. To hide the footer, select the code inside this section and remove it. If you prefer a reversible approach, you can comment out the content instead of deleting it. In Liquid, a safe way is to wrap the existing markup with a comment block so it won't render on the page. Either way, the goal is to prevent the footer's HTML from outputting on the password page. After making the change, click Save in the top right of the code editor. Give Shopify a moment to update. When you return to the theme editor preview of the password page, the footer should no longer be visible. A couple of tips as you work. Make sure you're editing the live theme or a duplicate you intend to publish, and always confirm you're in sections main password footer. Liquid so you don't affect other parts of your store. If you need to undo the change, use the theme code editor's version history to roll back to a previous save. That's it. Your password page is now clean and focused, without a footer distracting